This is our tutorial 4 by nodal analysis. Last 3 we completed by mesh analysis. So we have to find out the current in 2 ohm. So by nodal, what we will see, we will assume this one is reference node means 0 ohm, and this one is V1 voltage, this node is V2 voltage, node 1 and node 2. Okay, now we will apply KCL at node 1. Then how we will solve this? We know V1 is equal to 6 volt. How? V1 is nothing but the voltage across this, okay, and this is in parallel with 6 ohm. So in parallel the voltage level is same. Okay, so no need to apply KCL at node 1 because we already get V1 value. Okay, now node 2. In node 2, I assume this current is coming like that, I, and two directions current is like that. Okay, so I is equal to I plus 4, incoming current is equal to outgoing current. Incoming current is nothing but I value is V1 V2 divided by 2 plus 4, and then I1 value is V2 divided by 12. Okay, then you have to simplify that. V1 minus V2 plus 8 divided by 2 equal to V2 by 12, 2 6. Then if you will solve this, 6V1 minus 6V2 plus 48 is equal to V2, and we know the value of V1 is 6 volt. So 6 into 6 minus 6 V2 we can bring on right side, so 7 V2, 36 plus 48 84, then 7 V2 value is nothing but 84 by 7 means 12 volt. So if you will calculate the value here, I we assume like that, so I value is nothing but V1 minus V2 divided by 2, that is 6 minus 12 by 2 is equal to minus 3 ampere. Okay, if you will consider the direction is like that, so minus 3 ampere. If you will consider the direction is like that, so 3 ampere. That's it.